My name is Michael. I was born in Damascus, Syria. Now I've been in China for 15 years. 因为我爸在这里以前做贸易，我每一年放假的时候都来中国，所以我对中国是非常的了解。我第一次飞到广州是04年了，我就第一次来那边是十来岁，13岁了。我后面去了意大利，然后后面感觉就开始上班的时候，就感觉那边没有那么多机会，好像中国，所以我选择来定居在广州了。So food is very important, I think, to express identity and exchange culture. It's also a way to show love. People get together easily. I think food can help bring two cultures together.